if you want some fun social media type videos, then I have a cool tool to share with you today. Everybody see my screen?
Yep.
Yes.
Boosted.
Yep.
Yeah. Have you heard of Boosted?
Nope.
Okay, so this is Boosted, and it's really affordable. It is $5 a month if you pay for a whole year. And I just started using it, and it's pretty fun, actually. So I'll show you, I actually did a video. Actually, before I go there, I'll show you that they have all these templates that you can use. And I clicked on real estate, and they have a bunch of different templates you can use. And then you just put in your own message and branding. That's just one of the industries that they support. There's a whole bunch of them. And I want to show you a video that I just made for Greg, and it posted it in March, or recently, actually, I guess. And that's this one. Once you create the video, you can set it to any size screen. So this right here is good for sharing on a story. We also have Square for sharing on Instagram and Facebook. And then this is the kind of portrait size that goes really well on LinkedIn. So I'm just going to play this, and you can just see. So at the end, I exported this. You just click the export button in whatever size you want. You can change the colors of the font. You can change the music. You can add a different video if you want to look at their library of videos. And you can obviously here change the fonts. Once I exported it, then I just added a quick edit at the end with contact information. And then I posted it to the site. So I think it's super fun, and I think it has a lot of possibility. And that's what I have to share today.